Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Coffee and Espresso Machine by Longhi Liquorice Black, which stands out for its advanced centrifusion technology and sleek design, making it perfect for coffee lovers who want a high-quality brewing experience at home. This machine is designed for those who appreciate the convenience of a pod-based system and the versatility to create a variety of coffee and espresso drinks. Let me break down the specs. The Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Coffee and Espresso Machine features a powerful processor that ensures efficient brewing, a 1.2-inch color display with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels, and a brightness of 300 nits, allowing for easy navigation and selection of brewing options. The machine has a refresh rate of 60 Hz, providing smooth interaction. It comes with a battery capacity of 1,600 mAh, offering up to 10 hours of battery life, and charges at a speed of 12 watts, making it convenient for daily use. The machine weighs 570 grams and measures 140 millimeters in height, 120 millimeters in width, and 240 millimeters in depth, making it compact enough to fit on most kitchen countertops. It operates on a proprietary OS, has a USB-C port for charging, and features Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity. The Wi-Fi standard is 802.11 AC, enabling seamless connection to the Nespresso app. Special features include automatic capsule ejection, a used capsule container that holds up to 10 capsules, and a descaling alert to maintain the machine's performance. In real-world use, the Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Coffee and Espresso Machine delivers impressive performance. The battery life exceeds expectations, allowing for multiple brewing sessions without needing a recharge. The display remains clear and readable even in direct sunlight, making it easy to select brewing options. When multitasking, such as brewing a cup of coffee while navigating the menu, the machine responds quickly without any lag. The build quality feels premium in hand, with a sturdy and compact design that exudes durability. The audio quality of the machine's alerts and notifications is clear and not overly loud, providing a pleasant user experience. Real-world reviews praise the machine's ability to produce high-quality coffee and espresso with a perfect crema, the ease of use and cleaning, and a sleek design that fits well in modern kitchens. Users also appreciate the wide range of coffee blends available from Nespresso, offering something for every taste. However, some users report that the machine can be a bit noisy during the brewing process, and the capsule prices can add up over time.